Welcome to our vowel adventure where you will hear each vowel sound clearly and see a friendly picture that matches it. First we see the bright letter A in a soft pastel sky. A cheerful bunny points to the A and opens its mouth to say A as in apple. Listen as the bunny says a slowly, quadruple A. A red apple pops up in a bubble, reminding you of the A sound. Now the scene changes to a sunny orange background with a big letter O. A smiling otter points to the O and shows the mouth shape for O as in orange. Hear the otter say oo, a long round sound. A bright orange fruit appears, linking the O sound to the picture. Next we glide to a gentle green field with the letter E shining. A friendly elephant points to the E and moves its mouth to say E as in elephant. Listen to the elephant say E, a short sound. A tiny elephant cartoon appears, reinforcing the E sound. The view shifts to a cool blue sky with the letter I glowing. A curious iguana points to the I and forms the mouth for I as in igloo. Hear the iguana say E, a short high sound. An igloo pops up, connecting the I sound to the picture. Now we float to a soft purple backdrop with the letter U sparkling. A gentle unicorn points to the U and opens its mouth to say U as in umbrella. Listen as the unicorn says U, a round deep sound. An umbrella opens in a bubble, showing the U sound. Finally we arrive at a pastel pink scene with the letter U shining. A cute little creature with a tiny hat points to the U and shows the mouth for the German U sound. Hear the creature say U with 2 dots, a rounded front sound. A tiny hat-wearing character appears, helping you remember the special U sound. You have now heard all 6 vowel sounds with clear mouth shapes and matching pictures. Practice saying each sound while looking at the letters and pictures to strengthen your phonics skills. Great job! You are ready to recognize these vowels in words and begin reading. Generate your own educational videos for free at eduvids.vercel.app.